Rush, created in 1999, is like a poison you know may just kill you, but you can't help being attracted to it anyway. It's interesting to make the analogy with drugs because the perfume itself seems to have been inspired by them, by so-called poppers to be exact, a slang term given to the chemical class called alkyl nitrates that are inhaled for recreational purposes, especially as an aphrodisiac. They started in the 70s, 80s, and 90s club scene and caused lightheadedness, giddiness, and heightened sensual awareness, altogether known as head rush. Yes, head rush. Here are the notes. Perfume experts have given Rush a lot of interesting commentary. Luca Turin once said that Gucci Rush smelled like, thanks to the milky lactone molecule, an infant's breath mixed with his mother's hairspray. Critic Chandler Burr describes the fragrance as strong, loud, irresistible, a sultry wind fit to keep everyone stark awake and plotting indiscretions. I've also read it described as an outer space creature with a little bit of the shock of Dylan going electric. The scent is highly unusual and beautifully constructed, a modernist perfume that is now a classic, even though its bright red plastic rectangular casing was inspired by an outdated video cassette. This marvelously, explicitly, unapologetically unnatural fragrance created by Michel Armarac and contained in the appropriately loud casing is flawless to me. It's another 5-star perfume. I don't wear it as much as I used to. Now I only have this wee 5LM mini size to supply me with a dose for those times when I really need it. Let's spray some. Yeah, Rush is the perfect fragrance for a night out, but as this scent will unabashedly intrude upon its surrounding, it's not recommended for those office or dinner outings. Rush races into the noses of those it sees in a jovial, confident, devil-may-care manner, indifferent to other scents that may have been vying for the attention of those same noses. Woe to those smells, as Rush will recklessly and energetically steal the limelight. I see it as peach fuzz dipped in milk and wood shavings, rolled up in like chopped jasmine petals and other synthetic florals, then gently pounded with a massage compress made of lycra. You know, like those Thai compresses in massage parlors, only Jane Fonda-ized. And then you place the concoction temporarily into an unwashed, empty yogurt container until ready for its lacquer casing. There's also a va-va-voom quality to Rush's cuddly voice due to the undertones of patchouli, vanilla, and vetiver. I'm not sure how this happens, but Rush manages to be clean and dirty at the same time. It's quite astonishing, really. And the scent not only has decent longevity and projection, but it can be had for a better than fair price. Now, of course, it's not an understated scent, and not for everyone, thankfully so. The world would be a boring place otherwise. But I think Michel Almarac, together with Gucci, did a fabulous job with this fragrance. I love the underlying concept, and I think this fragrance lives up to it. All in all, I think the perfume was ahead of its time, much like the Canadian rock band of the same name.